The thunderstorm was located over Woodbury Heights, or 7 miles south of Gloucester City, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Camden, Gloucester City, Cherry Hill, Evesham, Mount Laurel, Deptford, Voorhees, West Deptford, Glassboro, Lindenwold, Belmore, Woodbury, Pittman, Berlin, Palmyra, Paulsboro, Magnolia, Westville, and Woodbury Heights. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 3 and 4, Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 17 and 18, Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania near mile marker 351, Interstate 76 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 3, Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 17 and 40, Interstate 676 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 3, Atlantic City Expressway between mile markers 42 and 44. Protecting yourself from immediate threats to life and safety shall take priority. Whenever possible, as long as it does not cause greater harm, all COVID-19 protective action guidance should be followed. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following counties: